make a vow to yourself that you will overcome. You will get through it. You won't let it stop you. You will do whatever you possibly can, figuring out how to accomplish your goal and coming out the other side better than you came in. It's your boy Kenny. I'm back at it, man. Look, listen, it's tough, man. I was about to start a marketing campaign, and it took me so long to start this marketing campaign. I was like, man, imagine me, who I've done so many of these already, and it's taking me so long because of the fear of basically results, right? The fear of whatever feedback I may get, good or bad. And I'm like, man, imagine how everybody else is thinking about this, man. Everybody who's thinking maybe of doing the real estate, maybe starting something new in their business, a new venture, a new hobby, anything overall. And I just realized how tough it is. It's tough for everybody. So many emotions come into play when you want to be able to do something, when you want to be able to start something new. It's so crazy, isn't it? And you know what's even crazier? The fact that despite these obstacles, there are still people out there achieving the best, achieving greatness, achieving everything that they can possibly achieve. What is it about what they're doing? Like, how are they thinking about the situation? How come they get to be so great? And sometimes we get to fumble on the dreams and the goals that we have. You know, why is that? And while I was questioning, I remembered this amazing quote from a mentor of mine, and Jim Rohn, you know, and he's a great public speaker. He does a lot of personal development. I like listened to him a lot while I was on my personal development journey. And he mentioned this quote that completely blew my mind. It changed the way I thought about everything. And he said, "Don't wish it was easier. Wish you were better." Wow. Imagine. That was a complete game changer for me, because I was thinking like, man, why can't life just be so easy? Why can't I just magically make six figures, easily make six figures, easily just travel the world, easily just have the best relationships I could possibly have, easily just be able to eat whenever I can, and easily be able to lose weight, and easily be able to gain muscle? Why can't it just be easy? And I realized that was the wrong mentality. It's not the mentality that's going to give me results. Me wishing it was easier is not going to give me results. If anything, I'm going to want to just stay at home and just completely wish it was easier to just do the things that I want to do. It's not supposed to be easy. It's not. Imagine if everything in life was easy. Imagine just being able to just easily make $1 million. What are you going to do? How are you going to live your life? Right? Are you even gonna care about anything? You're gonna just be so entitled? You're gonna want to not follow rules? It's just not how it's supposed to be. I think life was supposed to be a continuous improvement on what you can do. Being better, being the best, working on being the best you can possibly be in any field. Working on improving your sales skills, working on improving your communication skills, working on improving the way you handle relationships, personal and business. And I'm not saying like I'm perfect. This is something that's continuous for me. It's something that I have to continue to do, even especially personal relationships. I have to continue to be able to work and figure out how I can improve these relationships to overall improve the quality of my life. Because those are meaningful connections. Those are meaningful connections that I have. The things that matter the most. Working on being better at it. Working on improving the way you talk. Working on improving your mindset. Being more positive. Being more growth mindset. It's not something that happens overnight, but the decision to actually work on it happens overnight. The decision that you're going to be better, that you're going to be the best that you can possibly be every single day, is a decision that you make every single day. When you wake up on a given day, you have the decision to either do good and do what you're supposed to do, or do bad and ignore all the tasks that you have to do? And based on that decision will determine the trajectory of your life. I didn't just wake up magically and became a real estate investor. No, man. I worked on this. I worked on this lifestyle for years. For years. I put in the work for years. Continuously improved on myself for years. And I know that when I want to take myself to the next level, wanting to go on the next level, wanting to reach the next goal, I have to continuously work on myself. Because you don't chase success, you attract success by the person you become. Another quote that he said, you attract success, man. And every single day you wake up, you have the decision, am I going to make this day count? Or is it just going to be another one of those days? It's up to you, it's up to me, to being the best person, the best version, to reaching the fullest potential is up to us. We have it within ourselves. And as I'm starting on this marketing campaign, it's up to me to be able to, with the feedback that comes with it, good or bad. Bad, what can I improve? Good, how can I be better? That's all it is. You want to grow a multi-million-dollar business, you got to become a multi-million-dollar thinker. You got to move like a multi-million-dollar man. Get your mind right, man, and you will be able to accomplish anything you want. And everybody's going to start thinking, man, how does he do it? You're just better. Sorry, you're just better. Why? You worked on it. Something to take pride of. We live in a society where you saying that you're better means that you're a narcissist. I mean, like, come on, man. Let's be real here. There are people who are better than you at some things, and there's people who are not better than you at some things. I mean, why take the shine away? You're better. The more you improve on a certain particular part of your life, the better you will be. That's just how it works. That's just how it works, man. And every single day you wake up, you have power to be better. It doesn't have to be 0 to 100, 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 8 steps, man. I hope you join me, man. Hope small increment steps, man. I hope today you decide to be better. I hope today you decide to be the best version of yourself that you possibly can be. You don't let fear, scarcity, whatever it is that's stopping you, you don't let it stop you today. I know I'm not. May the best man win, right? Or best woman. So be the best. Make a commitment to be the best. We all have our good days and bad days. I'm not going to say that we don't. I acknowledge it. But even in our bad days, we have to work. Days that don't just feel right. Do something that feels right. Get committed to being the best. And the best is what you shall be. It's your boy, Kenny Cam Doom, man. I'm going to go back at this marketing, man. I'm going to start my marketing, my real estate. If you like this type of content, please give me a comment below. If you got any questions, comments, concerns, put in the comments below, man. I talk to all my commenters. Everybody who comments, I respond. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Let me know whatever you're facing, man. Any fear, anything that might be stopping you from achieving your best. Write it down somewhere, actually. Make a vow to yourself that you will overcome. You will get through it. You won't let it stop you. You will do whatever you possibly can, figuring out how to accomplish your goal and coming out the other side better than you came in. Write that down somewhere. And have a great day, man. Peace.